So what is going on, guys? Adventures Unknown back with another video. Today we are at Hersheypark in Hershey, Pennsylvania. And today we are here for a season pass holder event of Auntie Mortem's with the Lights On tour and a character reveal of the new house, The State of Evil. So let's go inside. It is a beautiful day here at Hersheypark. It's also National Rollercoaster Day, so might have to hop aboard one of these steel monstrosities as Candemonia. Let's head farther into the park and see what the game is. As you can see, construction is in full swing, and they have a lot of land cleared. The rumor is there'll be a S&S Screaming Swing, so I'll have to stay tuned and find out. Speaking of Dark Nights, this looks like a structure for one of the new scare zones called Darkstone Hollow Battle for Spring Creek, which is ironically right beside Spring Creek. So maybe this structure will be used for that scare zone. Hersheypark duckies swimming in Spring Creek. Down here you can see them removing some props for Dark Nights. Looks like we got a trotter head cage there. And this is the pavilion where they have the haunted coal mine, haunted house inside there. As you can see, the sign says Dark Nights is starting Friday the 13th. Terrifying next chapter begins. There's some more progress on Dark Nights with this area around the coal mine. Some structures have been put up. We got one here, right next to the Valley of Beer and Storm Runner. There's another one here, looks like an outhouse right there. And there goes Storm Runner. Oh, and around here I think I spotted one more. On the other side of the Valley of Beer, there it is. One more outhouse structure. It says moonshine. So, and like I said, these are like right beside where the haunted coal mine would be in that pavilion there. We come to the Spring Creek Smokehouse for dinner. I think I'm going to get the brisket sandwich with some mac and cheese. This is included on the all-season dining plan if you're a season pass holder. See some ribs getting cut there. Oh, delicious. We got our brisket sandwich and mac and cheese. Looks delicious. Let's dig in. So I guess this is where we enter for our exclusive event for pass holders. Our tour of Auntie Mortem's with the Lights On and our character review for The State of Evil. But that is for later. And what better way to celebrate National Rollercoaster Day than with a ride on Wildcats Revenge. So over here is where the Descent haunted house is. You can see they got some of it torn apart and Lots of construction being done in the Wildcats Adventure too. You can also see the facade through the trees there. Zoom out a little bit. There you can see that. Just got off Wildcats Adventure. That ride is incredible, freaking insanely good. Lots of airtime, lots of immersion. It's insane. Signage is beginning to go up for Dark Nights. This is where the entrance for the descent will be located. Here by the Twisted Wildcats Adventure beverage. Here we can see more signage for Dark Nights with Twisted Carnival. This will be where the entrance will be located for that. Right between Laugh Track and Auntie Mortem's. This is where we'll be getting our exclusive lights on walkthrough of Auntie Mortem's. So we are on our way into the hot preview. It is located at Tidal Force Catering.
And then these are your free event lanyards.
Okay.
Those are for you.
Thank you.
Those are gifts. Thank you to you guys.
Awesome.
And then if you'd like to meet a character from this year's new haunted house, that's what they're queuing up for on the right-hand side to be able to take pictures with them. When you're ready to head down to Auntie Mortem's, that's here on the left-hand side. And there is a free sample from this year's Dark Nights menu right in the center.
So they gave us a free lanyard. It says behind the scenes. House experience. That's what gets us into the haunted house. So we are in line to meet the Estate of Evil character reveal. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film in there, but this is the line. We are in Tidal Force Catering. It looks like they are giving out free refreshments over here. We'll see what that is.
That was too scrimmage. Yeah.
So we're going in to meet the butler.
Welcome in, guys. Hi. Welcome. Come in. So it appears that we get some free soft drinks and a free tasting after meeting the butler. Please enjoy one. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. So we're here at Auntie Mortem's Avatar for our lights on walkthrough. Butcher shop.
Alright, I guess it's just you guys in here. Before we get started, I do have some bad news. We don't allow any photos.
So we just finished up doing our lights on tour of Auntie Mortem's Avatar. That was pretty cool. Seeing a lot of detail that you can't see during the regular haunt season. And yeah, it's really cool that they give you this event free for being a pass holder. They do like a loyalty challenge where you have to come to the park and visit, and you get so many points for every visit to the park, and you get free stuff. And this is like the ultimate loyalty challenge. So it's definitely worth it, and hopefully Hersheypark continues to do this in the upcoming years. And so that's going to do it today from Hersheypark Dark Nights Season Pass preview. We got a lights on tour of Auntie Mortem's Avatar. We got to see a lot of detail that you can't see during the regular haunt season. Also got to meet and greet with the butler from the Estate of Evil. There's a lot of detail in Auntie Mortem that you don't get to see when you're walking through the regular house. Lots of memorabilia in there that you don't usually see. Very unique house. As you can see, the park is now closed. Everybody's exiting. And yeah, see you in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And to the next one. Peace.